What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker review. Hopefully everybody out there is having a great day wherever you are in the universe. We're about to talk about what's in this box, and by the title of the video you already know what we're talking about. By the looks of this box you already know what we're talking about with this snakeskin Mamba print going on. We're talking about them Kobe ADs that dropped today, Mamba Day 2018. Not the biggest Kobe fan right here, but can respect the game, can respect the legend for who he is, as you see him on the shirt. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and check out these shoes in the box, which we have also seen before, because those of you who follow your boy Bossco, who subscribe or follow me on Instagram, I was at the Drew League when DeMar DeRozan premiered these on the court. I got a lot of good visuals of the shoes of him actually playing in them. So if you guys, haven't checked that video out, go ahead and watch it. It's in one of my Drew League videos, you dig? These shoes are fire, man. They got a few colorways that are coming out, but the first colorway is the multi-colorway. A lot of people say these look like KYRIE's, but let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the comment section. Before we get to the shoe, please make sure you smash the like button, share the video with your friends on Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, whatever thing you use. Share your boy video, you dig? And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be updated on videos that I drop every single day, sometimes multiple times a day, but definitely every single time a day, midnight or by midnight Cali time. So whenever you wake up, wherever you are in the universe, wherever you are in the world, Philippines, Australia, New Mexico, DC, Virginia, Texas, Canada, wake up. When you wake up in the morning, you can watch your boy Bossco. You can check my channel, and I'm pretty sure there will be something new up there that you have not seen before. Without further ado, let's go ahead and check out these shoes, you dig? Now, some of you guys can see this. Sometimes I do it well, sometimes I don't. You can see that there, that Kobe AD. This is a size 12. I got there. Man, I went to one Foot Locker because they told me they were going to have them. I go there and show up, they didn't have them. So I rushed on over to Hollywood and Highland as quickly as I can in some kind of traffic. There was some traffic. I mean, there's always traffic in LA. But I got up there, I asked to do the door, you got them, they said, yeah, they did the little microphone, you got Kobe's, and they're like, what size? I said, 13. It's like, okay, cool. And then the guy came back, oh, no more 13s. We only got 12 or 14. I'm like, let's go with that 12, man. So if this is a size 12, I'm not gonna keep them. They will be on my GOAT app. Hit me up in the comment section or DM me if you got any questions and you might want to get these. I don't know, but I was not able to get my size, so I will be getting rid of these. But I wanted to review them, get your full opinion on them, let you know, my thoughts, and see what you guys think in the comment section. Since I did get a chance to see these when they first debuted, when DeMar DeRozan was rocking them like 2, maybe 3 weeks ago. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the box. Smash the like button, share the video, leave a comment, all that good jazz, you dig? I'm gonna open this thing up and see what's in here. Black insides of the box. Typical, same old thing. I mean, the design on the box is not bad, but the color of these shoes is very bad, as in good. Super fire. What do you guys think about these, man? Do you guys think the pictures are doing it justice? Hopefully this video does it justice. If it does, make sure you smash the like button. I'm gonna pull these things out. Let me get this first one out. Very dope shoe, man. Very dope shoe. I'm so mad I couldn't get these in my size, but you can if you are a size 12, or just hustle and grind out there. You might be able to find somebody who got them. Not too many locations out here had them. I had to go to the main flagship store to pick up these boys, but these are fire, man. A lot of details on the shoes I'm not too certain on. There's some numbers on here. We're gonna try to figure it out together. Let me get this other shoe out the box. Very dope shoe, bro. These Kobe ADs after death, after he retired. I mean, not after death, but after his career died, I guess. That's what that means by the AD. These shoes are dope, got a lot of great details and hints to them. And of course, your boy Bossco Mitchell is gonna get the up close and personal visuals on these shoes so you guys can see each and every detail and stitching on the shoe. So if you don't get a chance to see a shoe in hand and you want to purchase them online, hopefully this review can help with that, because I will get you guys the up close visuals of it to help your decision, you know what I'm saying? But without further ado, man, this shoe is fire. A lot of people are saying it looks like a KYRIE. I don't care about that. KYRIEs are one of my favorite Nike shoes out. I feel like that's what happens with shoes with certain brands. Sometimes silhouettes tend to look like each other, but this shoe right here is fire, bro. I don't even know where to start. I'm just like so confused. Everything is dope, from the navy blueness on here to the hints of like this like fuchsia red or hyper red, whatever you guys want to call it, man. On the laces, They have a few different numbers if you guys can see. If you guys can't see, I'm still gonna get you guys some up close visuals so you will be able to see. But for example, on the right shoe, different details on different shoes. They have the mesh upper, like some type of cloth, and this don't have no tongue. It's like a sock material, so they slide on your feet. You can get your foot in here, in and out really well. Got the KBB on the inside of the tongue. We're gonna get the up close and personal so you guys will see all that. So whatever you guys can't see, you will see in the next clip. You feel me? These are fire though. On the right shoe, it has 08, which I guess is for his number 8. 33, not quite sure unless that's for like Kareem's number, but why would Kareem's number be on Kobe's shoe? 78, was that the year he was born? Or was 33 the age he retired at? Let me know. Fill me in, Kobe fans. Like I said, I'm not the diehard Kobe fan. I'm not the biggest Kobe fan. I respect the game though. And on the other one, okay, it says 33, 8, and 24. So I guess he retired at 33. Is that the truth? I thought he retired later than that. 08, you can tell that's his jersey number, and this one has 24, which is the second jersey number. So 33, 08, or second 33, 8, and 24. This one has 8, 33, and 78. Was he born in 78? He retired at 33. He wore number 8, and then he wore number 24. He wore number 8. He retired at 33. I don't know. Let me know what you guys know about that for you Kobe fans out there. I have some stuff on the heel too of the shoe in like Braille. Maybe that says Kobe or something like that for, you know, in Braille. For those who are blind, they read in Braille. It's like embroidered right there. It says something. The midsole is white, translucent yellow bottom. This is one of the highlights of the shoe. The yellow bottom makes the shoe pop with the yellow accents around the laces to go around the different color laces, man. These shoes are fire, bro. A 20 out of 20. Definitely off the Richter scale. This colorway is dope. They got another purple colorway coming out that I think is fire too. But for the first colorway, this multicolored thing is sick. When I seen DeMar DeRozan wearing them at the Drew, I thought they were sick, man. I didn't know they were Kobe's at the time, but I thought they were fly. I thought they were going to be his next shoe or something like that. But then on the back of the right shoe, it has Kobe right there. It spells it out as opposed to putting the logo. On the inside of the shoe, you have the logo here as well as Kobe's signature. You're going to see the details when I get the up close and personal visuals, of course. And then on the back of this shoe just has the Kobe logo. So one side has the Kobe logo, one side has Kobe spelled out. Very, 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 very dope shoe, man. The color combinations is fire. The silhouette is fire. Let me know what you guys think about these, your true honest opinions. If this is a shoe that you will try to get, you know, or you passed on, let me know your true thoughts and opinions of these. They were fire. They went off the shelves fast. I'm not sure if they sold out online, but I know by the weekend they're going to be gone. So let me know your thoughts and opinions. We're going to get to the highlights of these shoes, the up close and personal visuals. Will be no on feet because these are a size 12. I don't want to cram my feet in there. Unless they run small, or unless they run big, but I don't think so. Kobe's usually don't run big. But without further ado, let's go ahead and check out the highlights. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for taking your time to watch. Thank you for everybody who is subscribed to the channel. If you are not subscribed, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be updated on every single thing your boy Bossco got going on. Big shout out to the whole fam. 3,600 on the way to 36,000. I'm out, man. Have a great day. Peace.
Where you are? Where you are? Fuck it. Fuck it. You's a hater and a crab. Doing bad. Where you were out doing bad.